Hey, Mark here. HVAC is on our minds all day, every day at ClimateCare, but we know it's not on yours, unless there's a problem. So avoid the hassle and choose peace of mind with our WeCARE maintenance plan. WeCARE customers are our top priority and always get service first. It's like having a friendly, personal HVAC service on speed dial, ready to go anytime you need us. WeCARE requires just a small monthly payment plan you don't even need to think about. And besides incredibly fast priority service, you get an annual tune-up to your HVAC equipment. You don't even need to set a reminder. We'll set it up for you. Plenty of discounts on repairs and replacement equipment, and no after-hours charge, ever. Whenever you need help in a pinch, our team is there for you. Get the friendly, professional service you deserve with WeCare, and get peace of mind knowing that you and your family's comforts are taken care of through every season.